Did you know that you can annotate or write on a PDF with a program on your computer called Preview? It's actually really simple and really powerful. So say that you have a W-9 that you need to fill out for somebody, or basically any form. If you right click or control click on that, make sure that you open it with Preview. And then you've got what seems to be nothing, except if you look at this toolbox and open up that menu, suddenly you have a bunch of annotation tools that you can use. Now, if there are boxes that can be edited inside of them, written that way, if you use that first tool and click, if that box is there, you can just start typing in that box. However, if there's not a box there and you need to write, this tool, the text box, will let you put text just about anywhere. So I can say remember to file. Your fonts and colors are down here. Another thing you can do is the writing tool. You can go in and start drawing a line. But beyond that, there's other kinds of lines. There are straight lines, there are circles. If you actually draw an arrow, that changes to different kinds of arrows. So it's a pretty smart editor. Again, another thing that you can do as you fill these out is you could add a shape if you needed to, but you can also add your signature. And you see this looks like a real signature because it is. When you go to add a signature, it'll save any signatures you've done, but when you click to create a new signature, you can either use your trackpad, which is actually pretty clunky, but if you wanted to be able to put your own signature in, and I'm going to just change mine a little, make it maybe a little neater, write it on a piece of white paper and hit your camera button. When you bring your signature in on that blue line, and the computer recognizes it, it creates that as your signature. And when you say done, that is one of your choices for putting it on a signature line. So you can drag that signature wherever you need it. And again, what you do is you'd file to save this document. It would save it with the updates, or you could begin by duplicating it and then saving it if you need an original copy. But that is how you annotate or write on a PDF right with your Mac.